same time.
And these blades will go up and down to what thickness you can cut out of it. Jeez. And then same blade as the old one. Same teeth, same carbide, replaceable. Your first cut comes off, you have a belt that pushes it out. Sawdust goes down.
And this here just takes the sawdust out.
Yeah, all that's for sawdust.
Look at this.
Best position, and sometimes the dogs will, like, it'll slip out from the dogs.
Well, got the conveyor running. Here we go.
So then you got your view of your blade there.
I got it. We're good. I know if I'm in the way.
Nope, you're good. I still have. I'm trying to get to 8 inches wide, and I'm at 11 and a half right now. So I could get, basically this is going to be a stock 1x12 side lumber coming off of whatever you're cutting. So then now it comes in, and
oh, I see.
You can see the cut that the edger will do.
Yeah.
And then you can also, if you video here,
see the combo.
Here you got the 1x4.
So that's where you need people out here sitting. Right. Yeah, we got a hang up there. So trying to get metal.
Yeah. So now I have a memory set for 8 inch wide, so I can just hit the memory and I'll hit my button again. And so I'm at 9. I forgot to clear my edger out.
Just gets it out of the way.
Yeah. And you know, the front of the log at the top is pretty thin, but as it gets wider on that cut, I kind of feel like I could probably work out a 1x6 instead of a 1x4. And so then now I'll set. Now, if we were indoors, this thing, we'd have the lasers set up so that you can see along the log where those saw blades are.
Right.
But you can't see shit when it's outside.
No,
so you just do it enough, you know where you're going.
Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, I see it.
one here that they hand peeled the face on, it's still that natural.
Mm-hmm.
We'll run that to 3/4 inch for lap siding with the wavy edge. We call it Yankee siding.
Oh, nice.
And so we do those cants, they take them over, they hand peel them off, all the bark, clean them up, and then we bring it down to the resaw, 3/4 inch.
Right.
It's like the newspapers. And the blades are usually 6 feet long. So we'll cut them, and they're also like twice as thick. So these handle extensions were actually the thickness part. Cut it in half, use the top half as your handle extension. But it is some of the hardest steel I've ever seen.
Huh.
So we still have like 6 more, I think 4 or 6 more sticks that we can make more draw knives out of. There's no bevel, we don't do any bevels or anything like that. We're just not set up for it.
Well, that's a molding.
So, and that's a molding process too. Yeah.
How's Aspen? Is this stuff any good?
You don't cut it quick enough, it turns into firewood and it gets checks in it the size of like this old aspen that we have here. Yeah, you can see that check on that bottom log.
Just the
You
crack,
let
you
it
mean?
sit too long, you're going to get 2 boards out of something like that.